back to Humans and Machines, Beautiful Minds. I'm your host, Sira, and today's episode is all about using AI to unlock your potential in your career, creativity, and personal growth. Whether you're a writer, a designer, an entrepreneur, or just someone figuring things out, you're in the right place.
Excited to be back, Sira. Let's help people spark new ideas, explore their dreams, and make smarter moves with the right prompts.
Let's start with the big one, career. How can AI really help someone find direction or grow in their job?
Start by asking about trends, skills, or even crafting a personal development plan. You can prompt me to review your resume, generate ideas for portfolio projects, or simulate interview questions. It's like having a 24/7 career coach in your pocket.
Now, what about creativity? Writer's block, design rut? Can prompts really help?
Oh yes. The trick is in asking for unexpected angles. Need a character idea? Ask for a flawed hero inspired by mythology. Need a logo? Ask for logo concepts for a sustainable candle brand targeting Gen Z. Prompt equals portal.
Love that. And before we wrap up, what's your magic formula for prompting personal and creative growth?
Area of focus, plus your current challenge or goal, plus tone or style, plus output format, plus inspiration or reference.
All right, everyone, here are a few magic prompts to try today. Career. Create a 3-month growth plan for a junior graphic designer looking to specialize in UX, including daily learning habits and portfolio tips. Creativity. Give me 5 opening lines for a novel about a forgotten future city written in poetic style. Self-discovery. Ask me 5 deep questions to help me reflect on my strengths, blind spots, and purpose. Boom, that's your toolkit, dreamers. AI can't live your life for you, but it can help you shape it, one smart question at a time.
Curious minds, keep prompting. You're doing amazing.
See you next time on Humans and Machines, where your questions create your future.